Very good morning to all of you. This is the beginning of the trek to Gochela Pass. I'm in the hotel Red Palace, which is in Yaksu. My name is Dr. Shoikat Bandhopadhyay, and we have a team of 5 people and 3 more, basically the porters, and who are taking the trek to Gochela Pass from Yaksu. This is the hotel Red Palace. This is the view from the window of one of the rooms in Hotel Red Palace in Yaksu. Nice room, beautiful wooden furniture. This is a nice and clean, cozy toilet. So this is day 1. Today we're going to go to Sachin, the first day. Hopefully it's going to be a light trek. Tomorrow we're going to try from Sachin to go to Shoka. So that's the beginning of the trek. Bon voyage. We're just going to begin our first day of trek, which is our first halt will be Sachin, and then to Soka, and then eventually we'll try to reach Gochela, first waying point. It's a beautiful morning, so I'm waiting for the rest of the crew members to come down and we start our trek. We took around 8 hours to come from Bagdogra to over here because of 2-hour delay, because the road was in shambles because of a landslide. But fairly, overall, it looks like a good morning and a good beginning. And here comes our team members. This is Dr. Devabruta Biswas. He's one of the cardiac surgeons. And this is Dr. Ratan Das. He's a senior consultant in cardiac surgery. So 2 more of our members. They are trained mountaineers. अपना नाम तो बोलो.
हमारा नाम इंद्रनील चौधरी. I am from Silchar, Assam.
Our last trip to तुम्हारा Everest
base camp.
Base camp. Oh, lovely.
Okay, myself Archie Roy from Silchar. I'm glad to have all these nice people, and we are going for a trek.
Lovely. So that is the entire team. We'll wait for our the people who are going to guide us. 3 more, and the yaks. So we're just waiting for the car to take us to the beginning of the trek. Bon voyage. So we are on the way from our hotel towards Sachin. This is a very gentle sloping trek, but the reason I am taking the video is the sound of the crickets. Can you hear it? It's beautiful. And this is the way forward. So beautiful sloping, gradually sloping upwards trek. Not too hard as of now, and the landscape is wonderful. This is the site of a recent landslide. You can can see the trek road going over there. And this is the landslide. It goes all the way down thousands of feet. See the sight of the landscape. Hey, please. Just to give you an idea how narrow that road is just beside the gorge, which is probably hundreds of feet deep down. See trekkers coming from there. Bridge. You see the rest of the group members are already at the first gate. I just came back to show you the entry to the first gate. Yeah, this is the first gate. Down. And the bridge actually hangs and sways a little bit if you tend to move a lot. Be careful over here. This is from on top of the first bridge. You can see the beautiful, gorgeous waterfall. This is it's around 1 o'clock in the afternoon and we've reached the second bridge. We've seen some jumping action on the bridge and it's beautiful over here. I'm on the second bridge and these are my co-trekkers over there. It's a beauty. It's slightly cloudy, it might rain, and it's a beautiful waterfall over there. So just sitting down, having lunch on the way to Sachin, and this is our lunch. Looks lovely. नेक्स्ट वाला क्या है सामने? साचन ना? साचन का आगे ही लास्ट पेज है ना? वी आर अप्रोचिंग द लास्ट इट्स अ स्मॉलर ब्रिज. ये हमारा गाइड कह रहा है ये 15 साल पूरा पहले ये हुआ था, उससे भी ज़्यादा हो सकता है. इट्स अ स्मॉल माउंटेन स्ट्रीम यू कैन सी. आफ्टर वी क्रॉस दिस वी विल बी अप्रोचिंग साचन. यहाँ से कितना दूर है? 20 मिनट, आधा घंटा अभी भी टाइम है. वी हैव अनदर 30 minutes till Sachin. So that will be the end of our first day of trek. Hopefully we are all doing fine. It is a strenuous trek, but it's not too bad. Tomorrow's trek is going to be more difficult. So the guide and everybody tells us. We'll give you an update tomorrow. So this is the end of the first day of the trek. We are at Sachin and everybody is hale and hearty. They're setting up their tent. And so how was the first day of experience?
It was up and down. So we have not gained much height. About 1,500. But because
5 hours almost. We started at 10 in the morning and then it's
it was like
up and down. So it's not an easy trek. It is on a moderately difficult trek. Yes. Side. So it's right in the middle of the jungle. There's a clearing over here, and see it is at the bottom of a hill and it's all dense forest above. We're going to stay over here in a tent for today. What we're talking about Sachin is this place which basically just 2 huts which serve as kitchen for the people who are trekking, and they set up their tents. So you can see a tent over there in the distance and some of the tents above, and we have our tents on the other side. So this is Sachin, which is 2 huts where they cook. So it's more kitchen than Sachin. 2 kitchens. They call this place as Sachin. So this is, you can see one of the tents that were set up just beside the 2 kitchens. Also seems to be the resting place of the horses and yaks which carry the food and the materials from the town uphill. And this is Dr. Das, Dr. Biswas. They're trying to filter water from the stream. Ratna, procedure dekhiye to ek baar. Water. Yeah. So you fill the water from that pipe from the stream and then.
This is filtered water.
Okay.
Collecting filtered water in our bottle.
So what kind of filter is that? It's a soya filter. It's from soya. Okay. And you get it from Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Online you can buy it, and it's a good bacterial and
made in USA.
okay, bacterial and protozoan filter.
It prevents, it kills all bacteria and protozoas, but not viruses.
Okay. So with the filter water ready, we are settled for the night. We'll have food in the tent. I'll show you where the...
Then they're going to serve tea now.
Okay,
Bringing
okay,
tea.
okay. So tea and biscuits are coming. And our tent is right on the left. You can see the orange one. There are two tents. The larger one, the orange one, is for 3 people. And the grey one is for 2 people. So we have 5 people. We'll settle the night over here in these 2 tents. चाय आ गया. So it is only 7 p.m. We are going for the dinner, and we have our headlights. It's absolutely pitch dark, and we can see her. We can see. Can you show the tent? Show the tent. There's a tent, and it's absolutely pitch dark. The other tent, show the light. Yeah, that's the other tent. Lovely. So that is a group going for dinner at 7 p.m. I was moon marina. Nah, I'm jalta without.
Yeah, light.
So this is the makeshift kitchen at Sachin. It's night time. It's absolutely pitch dark, and we have come out of our tent. And खाना बन रहा है, खाना serve कर रहे हैं. You can see the food being served, and our guys are taking their food. Fabulous, wonderful experience. I'm just trying to show you the visibility that you have at night. I'm wearing a headlamp, and this is our tent. We are right at the foothill of at the base of a small hill, and this is all the visibility you have. And if you want to go to the loo, the only option is to go to the open, and this is where you need to know as a trekker that you should be free enough to use open space and do your number 1, number 2, whatever you have to do. And there's not much scope of closed space over here, and you have to accept that in a trek like this.
না না তাইলে ওটা হইলো এরকম এখন ঢুকি যাই লাগলে ঘুমাইলাম আদারওয়াইজ গল্প করলাম এবং লাস্টে যদি আরেকবার উঠতে লাগে প্রেসার ডিপেন্ডিং অন দা প্রেসার তো লাগবে জল এটা খাওয়া হইছে আমি এখন একটু খাইলাম না কিন্তু কি বাপ everybody is okay
And the 5th person is behind.
yeah
We're discussing about how to do susu and potty outside in the dark. Right.
okay thank you, good night.